Welcome to another episode of Dave and Kathy Unplugged, where I find myself in the Meatpacking district of New York City, right across the street from the Restoration Hardware store. Amazing restaurant up there, the rooftop. You got to check that out. And also the Gansevoort Hotel right over here, which also has a nice rooftop shindig going on there. But yeah, I just wanted to shoot a quick little video because I'm actually attending an event here tonight. But you know what? I'm down here in the Meatpacking district. I said, you know what? I got to share this area with all of you. So let's get into this. This is going to be a quick one. I'm going to be seeing Jordan Schieffer, one of my good buddies. We started this video.
New York City, man.
I'll say that for the third time. And he'll be down here in a moment. But check this out. Let me show you around Meatpacking district. Well, here's my buddy Jordan from Out of Spec. He's staying at this beautiful Gansevoort Hotel. This guy right here, John, he's the man right here. And over here you got LeCoin Restaurant, which is it good, John? French, it's French. But up there on top of Restoration Hardware, that is the jam. You got to check that out when you're in town here. So, Jordan, welcome to New York City, man. You're from where? Missouri.
Missouri.
This is
my second time here.
This is your second time?
I've only been here for one day, one time. So
oh, man.
I barely scratched the surface.
I'm always down here filming. I'm always down here.
There's so much to do. Yeah.
I know. So this is where there's a lot of electric vehicle car companies have their headquarters or their retail headquarters down here in New York City. This is Lucid right over here. We've got Tesla over there down the street to the right. And then a couple blocks further that way is Genesis House, which is an amazing thing. Beautiful 5-star restaurant over there at Genesis House. And but you know, the Meatpacking district, a lot of history here for where this is where all of the butcher shops were, and you know, bringing in the meats, and still a lot of these places are still very much in business down here. So as you can see, here is like an example of Super City Meat Inc. wholesale. And now some of these buildings have been taken over and redone, but some of them are the real deal. And it's a real nice, charming area, especially on Sunday mornings. I like to come down here early. You get a nice place to park. Right around the corner, you can go to Tesla, which is just on this next block over here on the right. And then also Genesis House, which is right straight ahead. It's that building right up there, which is pretty cool as well. So you can see here's a real deal meat company, London Meat. And the guy behind me honking, New York City. But what you've got mixed in are restaurants like Serafina, and then you have musicians like this guy over here playing a concerto on the side of the road. And they do a lot of product unveils and launches over here. Really nice, really good spot, great restaurants. I can't tell you enough about this Restoration Hardware. You got to check that out. That is an amazing place if you're in town. So yeah, great time down here in Meatpacking. Meatpacking at night. Oh, the old Homestead Steakhouse. Great place. You know, there's some amazing restaurants in this area. And oh boy, nice Rolls Royce. Look at that thing. That is sweet. So anyway, a lot of good restaurants in this area. And let's go ahead and take a look at what I think are top 5 restaurants that you should check out in the Meatpacking district. All right, so let's start with Kathy and my favorite, the RH Rooftop Restaurant. This is actually on the top of a hardware store. What am I talking about? A furniture store, Restoration Hardware. You've heard of it, but they have an amazing restaurant on the rooftop. It's an elegant eatery. I don't even know how else to say it. It's elegant. Chandeliers all over the place. Amazing views, looking down over Lucid and the Gansevoort Hotel right across the street there. They're offering timeless American dishes like burrata, really good app, shaved ribeye sandwiches. But my favorite is, believe it or not, the lobster roll. It's excellent. Now, the entrees are, not super expensive, $22 to $38. Maybe you consider that expensive. Make a reservation. You can't just walk in there on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday and grab lunch. It is a very popular spot. Maybe debatable that's number one, but it's our favorite down there in the Meatpacking district. Okay, so number two on our list is Pasties. It's a French bistro, kind of a vibrant place with classics like steak frites and escargot. Not my favorite, but if you're into that kind of thing. Oh, by the way, those are snails. It's known for its lively atmosphere and a stylish decor. It's really a meatpacking staple. It's pretty expensive. Entrees 24 to 48 bucks. But man, I'll tell you what, good place, Pasties. All right, number three on our list is Buddakan. It's an Asian fusion place. I probably will use the word opulent spot with shareable Chinese-inspired dishes. They got dim sum. It's a dramatic space. They get this wild staircase you walk down with chandeliers and you feel like you're in Paris, but you're actually in Asia. Oh man, it's super expensive. Entree is anywhere from 26 to 45, but we held our corporate party there 2 years ago, holiday party, when our company wasn't that big. We had an amazing time. The service was incredible. We didn't even look at the menus. We just told the waiters, just bring what you want. And man, did we leave happy. Good news is I never saw that bill. Be careful, but a cool spot. Budacon, check it out. All right, so number four on the list, if you like seafood, is Catch NYC, seafood and steaks. It's really trendy. It's a tri-level, three-level restaurant. They got sushi with their signature catch roll, premium steaks, rooftop dining, and really cool city views. All right, now that's the good news. The not so good news, this is probably the most expensive of the five that I'm listing here. Very expensive. Entrees start from 30 bucks and they go up 60, even higher. So be a little bit careful. Make sure you make reservations. Catch NYC. All right, so number five, contrary to popular belief, it's not Hectors Diner. Although I will say you can get a mean omelet in there and a pretty greasy cheeseburger for not too expensive. But with this late breaking news, I just found out that Hectors is going to close after 80 years. Man, oh man, that stinks. It's really right under the High Line. It's a great place. It'd be sad to see that go. We're going to throw number five, the Standard Grill. Now, before everybody says, Dave, wait, you didn't pick this, you didn't pick that, comment below with what you think should be, in the top five. Everybody's got their own preferences, and there's lots of really good restaurants down there. But the Standard Grill, it's a new American restaurant, a hip venue, under the Standard Hotel. Steaks, seafood, a lively terrace, and it's really American fare. Pretty expensive. Entrees 25 to 50 bucks. All right, so one of the things that you'll see in this part of New York City are the cobblestone streets. And oh man, you better have a good suspension for these. In the meantime, let's go over the top five things to do in the Meatpacking district, sort of like from a touristy standpoint. All right, so I know all of you are saying, hey Dave, the top five things to do is to go see Lucid, Tesla, Genesis House, Rivian, so on. All the electric vehicle car companies that are down there in the Meatpacking district. And I encourage you to go see that. But let's go over sort of the top five things. Number one, without a doubt, the High Line. Elevated public park. It's a former railway. Instead of taking it down, they made it into lush greeneries, offering stunning, city views and a lot of art installations. It's free. You go up there, you walk, right? It's open daily. Number two, the Whitney Museum of American Art. This is an iconic museum showcasing the 20th and 21st century American art with rotating exhibits. It's 30 bucks to get in, and it's open Wednesdays through Monday. Chelsea Market, right by where Google's headquarters are. This is a vibrant indoor food hall. Boy, I'll tell you, plays hops. And it's diverse eateries. There's all kinds of shops, unique vendors. You can walk around, free to explore, and the food prices vary. It's kind of a cheap place to get lunch. A lot of Google employees, which is right across the street, or maybe even that same building. I can't even remember. Little Island. How cool is this? It's a futuristic public park built on stilts over the Hudson River. It features gardens, there's performance, there's like the place you can go to concerts and all that, and skyline views. You just go over there, walk around. Everybody's over there. It's awesome. Free entry. It's open daily. And then, of course, just walking around. whether it's on a Sunday morning or at night, the Gansevoort Street nightlife, trendy bars and clubs like Lebain and the Top of the Standard, amazing bar up there. It's perfect for cocktails and late night vibes up there. Prices are, expensive for the drinks, 15 to 25, maybe even a little more expensive. But look, this whole area, Meatpacking District, it's not about the meatpacking anymore. It has become a hip place to check out and go. Well, Jordan, thanks for coming on the channel. Dave and Kathy Unplugged. We had a good time tonight.
It was wild.
That was amazing, filming over at Subaru, right? The launch of the Uncharted.
Yeah.
If you're interested in electric vehicles and Subarus, check out Out of Spec Reviews, because we were over there tonight. That's the reason I came in.
Yep.
But so we started this video.
New York City, man.
I'll say that for the third time. We started this video here in the Meatpacking District, and we're ending it here. So Jordan, I will say good night. I'm tired.
Yeah, me too.
And enjoy a really good time tonight. Everybody, take care. Thanks again for watching another episode of Dave and Kathy Unplugged. Later.